learning objectives. 1. Visiting a zoo. 2. Knowing about different animals. Warm up. Which animals can you see in the picture? Write down in blank space. Rima and Sam visited the zoo. It was a big park with lots of animals. Hey, see, there is a deer. See, there is a fawn also with the deer. They saw a lion with its cub. They took a ride on elephant's back. They saw a giraffe. It was very tall. They saw monkeys jumping from tree to tree. Tree leopard was resting in its den. Rima and Sam had great fun. Find meaning. Fawn, young one of a deer. Cub, young one of a lion. Den, where a leopard rests. Exercises. Creative expression. Tell your story. Have you ever been to a zoo? How was your experience? Share the stories of your visit to a zoo with your friends and listen to their stories also. How many animals did you see in a zoo? Cross-curricular connect. Learning by doing. Reading fluency. The apple. The apple is red. The elephant. The elephant is big. The giraffe. The giraffe is tall. The hat is brown. Critical thinking. Let's play a game. Circle the names of 5 animals in this word search. Fill in the blanks. Choose from the names you have added in the word search. 1. I live on land. I am a kangaroo. 2. I live in water. I am a fish. 3. I live in a den. I am a lion. 4. I am kept in a stable. I am a horse. 5. I am kept in a shed. I am a cow. Logical decision making. Match the following on the basis of the foods that they eat. Fox eats meat. Cow eats grass. Squirrel eats nuts. Bear eats fish. Cat eats mouse. Birds eat worms. Exercise time. Answer the following questions. A. Who went to the zoo? Answer. Rima and Sam went to the zoo. B. Who was resting in its den? Answer. The leopard was resting in its den. C. Who were jumping from the tree to tree? Answer: monkeys were jumping from tree to tree. D. Did the children have great fun? Answer: yes, the children have great fun. Find their meanings. A. Resting. 2. Relax. B. There. Being somewhere. C. Park. Playing field. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. A. A monkey lives on a tree. B. A lion lives in a den. C. We keep hens in a shed. D. Turtles live in water. Tick the right options. A. Rima went to the zoo, park, picnic. Zoo. B. Sam took a ride on an lion, elephant, camel. Elephant. C. The cubs were with a monkey, horse, lion. Lion. D. Dash is a tall animal. Rabbit, giraffe, goat. Giraffe. Match the following. What do we get from sheep? Wool. What does a hen gives us? Egg. What does a cow gives us? Milk. Conceptual understanding. Tick the correct pictures. 1. This animal lives on land. A. Rabbit. B. Fish. Rabbit. 2. Bees lives here. A. Beehive. B. Nest. Beehive. 3. We keep cows here. A. Stable. B. Shed. Shed.